told you to watch him.
Just like mother, just like my own father. I saved you, and you betrayed me.
And what hurts the most is people can go from people you know to people you don't. From people you know to people you don't.
Didn't notice cause my love was blind. Said I'd catch you if you fall. And if they laugh then fuck them all. And then I got you off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you could take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel sitting up there, feeling so high but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up there.
You wouldn't last 3 days on your own.
Oh, and I suppose you could teach me?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're beautiful, don't have to try. Doesn't you look divine? Eyes don't lie, eyes don't lie.
Oh my heart, consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it twice. Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it twice. You just stars and my scars are bleeding. It's when you tries to fly away, and the other.
She's got you mesmerized while I die. Why would you ever kiss me? I'm not even half as pretty. You gave her your sweater, it's just polyester, but you like her better. Wish I were Heather.
'Cause mama, I'm in love with a criminal, and this type of love isn't rational, it's physical. I just hope you're lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me be wrong. Don't wanna know if you're looking into her eyes, if she's holding on to you so tight, the way I did before. I overdosed. Should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame. Inches in between us. I want you to give in. I want you to give in.
And I won't erase it. I need you more than I want to. Need you more than I want to.
Nobody else, so we can be free. Nobody else, so we can be free. All the things you said, running through my head, running through my head, running through my head. All the things you said, running through my head, running through my head. All the things you said, all the things you said.
I should've told you what you meant to me. Whoa. 'Cause now I pay the price. And another life, I would be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world. And another life, I would make you stay, so I don't have to say you were the one that got away, the one that got away.
Distance, inches in between us. I want you to give in. I want you to give in. Weakness, tension in between us. I just wanna give in. And I don't care if I'm forgiven. Right now, I'm shameless. Oh, I think I'm losing my mind now. Yeah. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down.
I wanna grow together, let's let our love unfurl. You know you want me, baby, you know I want you too. They call me Superman, I'm here to rescue you. I wanna save you, girl, come be in Shady's world.
Oh boy, you drive me crazy.
Bitch, you make me call me Superman.
I don't know who you think I am. I don't know who you think I am.
This heat is getting to me. I want you all over me. Baby, you get me so.
was blind. Said I'd catch you if you fall. And if they laugh, then fuck 'em all.